In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your Squarespace website in a few easy steps. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to create a backup, test new designs, or experiment with different content without affecting your live site. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. If you're logged in, your dashboard is the central hub where you can manage all your site tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find it intuitive and easy to navigate, which will make this process straightforward and smooth. Once you're on your home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a set of 3 dots. This is more commonly known as the More menu. Clicking on these dots usually brings up additional management options, so go ahead and click there. This is a crucial step as it reveals your site management functions, including the option to duplicate your website. Clicking the 3 dots unveils a drop-down menu where you'll find the option labeled Duplicate Website. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to create a complete copy of your site. The duplication process includes copying all the content settings and design styles, ensuring you have an exact replica of your current setup. This can be crucial if you want to make substantial changes to your site without risking any disruption to your live version. It's worth mentioning that the duplication process might take a few minutes depending on the size of your site, so a little patience here goes a long way. After selecting the duplicate website option, you'll be prompted with another button that simply says Duplicate. Clicking this button confirms that you want to go ahead with creating a copy of your site. Make sure that you have enough storage space and resources within your Squarespace plan to accommodate a clone of your existing website. Otherwise, you might encounter limitations. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to duplicate your Squarespace website. Remember, you can now freely experiment with new layouts, designs, or content on your duplicate site without any worries. Never underestimate the power of playing around with different looks or functionalities and testing them thoroughly before making them live. Duplicating a website can save you from potential headaches and give your creativity the freedom to explore all kinds of possibilities. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher or if you encounter any hiccups along the way. Thanks for joining me today and happy site building!